Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today this is a new set of cards. Actually, this was also one of the cards which was gifted to me for Guru Purnima, and it had just landed at my place a couple of days back. So I thought, why not do a reading for you all from these amazing cards. Actually, the cards are very pretty, and I really liked the energies of the cards. It's a Hoodoo Tarot card. So let's see what's the first card. The Nine of Sticks. I will predict. First, let me just open up the cards for you all. The next card is the Two of Sticks. So it is the Nine of Sticks, the Two of Sticks, and the last card is the Five of Knives. If you see the Nine of Sticks closely, you will find a lady, a beautiful woman, but she is ready to protect herself. She has a pistol, and I think that's a Bible in her hand. And at the same time, she has a pistol. She has skull topped sticks at the back. Now this can be her elders, her ancestors. So today is a day where you will defend yourself. You will be with faith that you know whatever is happening for good, and you will have the willpower to handle things the way you want, and also you will be successful in handling them the way you want. Now coming to the Two of Sticks, that's again a man who's just walking. Maybe I have always said Two of Sticks or Two of Wands is more like partnership. You need to plan, you need to bring in new inventions, work with people. So today maybe you will be working with some influential people or your seniors at work, and where you will get an insight on how you need to develop your pathway, how you need to grow. So overall I feel a day of defensive, in the sense working with your willpower and handling things the way you want to handle, at the same time growing, moving forward, becoming a better person, and growth in work. Now coming to the Five of Knives. Now the last card which I said, Five of Knives, basically I feel, though, if you see this lady is, see there, can you see it? There's a coin. Okay, there's a coin under her tongue. So maybe everything is resolved and she is coming out in open. End of everything, more like, end of bad days, end of negative period. So overall, if you see, the whole cards are talking as positivity, moving ahead, working on your willpower. Today I would suggest, if you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times, burn a green candle in front of your puja room, and also today the color will be white, so that your elders, your ancestors will bless you, and you will have an amazing and a blessed day ahead. Let me know how you all felt the cards are. I am also planning to work more on these cards and see what I feel as a connect. As I said, today is the first time I'm bringing these cards, so I'm just going with the flow. So you all also let me know how you felt the energies of the cards are and how you resonated with the cards. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.